Let me start by telling you that a karakia is not just a prayer. I've heard so many people say that they're put off using or participating in karakia under the illusion that they're asking or being asked to pray. And whilst that may be the case sometimes, don't be fooled, because karakia is so much more than that. Let me explain. Karakia is made up of two words, ka and rakia, which I've come to understand means marking out your territory. Ka means to initiate or action, and rakia means to scratch, itch, or mark out. And to give you context, our Tohunga, our esteemed spiritual leaders, would mark out their territory when they were going into karakia mode. And we could just about a-liken that to meditation in modern day times, because it's a mode or state you dared not disturb them in. So yes, karakia can mean prayer, but to others it can be demonstrated in other ways. I would call karakia an inclusive concept, because it embraces the practice of prayer, but doesn't limit anybody else and their own practices or modes to connecting to outer body experiences. And why? Because it's the practice of settling down, drawing from within yourself, reflecting, and asking, what is it that I need to be prepared for? So when Māori practice karakia and encourage others to join in and do the same, what we're opening up is an opportunity for people to connect to their own belief set. And if you don't resonate with the belief set of the person that is leading the karakia for you, you may, at the least, take it as an opportunity for you to connect to your own. Karakia, metaphoric for marking out your territory, your place, your space, so that you can reflect. I reckon with just a little bit of thinking, you might find a way for you and your own belief set to align with the practice and meaning of karakia.